Welcome back to BOUGEETV. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Listen, y'all have been blowing my emails once again, and this time from a school that I never heard of in Mississippi called Callaway. They're playing the song We Don't Speed. And let's check this out. Good, okay. Tuba sounded like grown man over there, okay. I ain't gonna lie, they sound really, really good. I'm not sugarcoating nothing, they sound good. I ain't gonna lie to you. I feel bad for the other peoples in the band. Oh God, I said other peoples in the band. Lord Jesus. Let me tell you something. I ain't never heard of Callaway. And now I see Mississippi be having some hidden gems that we don't know anything about, especially in the band world. And I'm trying to tell y'all, stop sleeping on Mississippi bands. Stop. Please stop sleeping on them. Because I didn't know they sounded this good for high school. I didn't know they was down there. Dang, they sound so good.